Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video will be the Bijou makeup subscription box for August 2019. Bijou, I think it's a Bijou. This is how you spell it out. It's also in the title, I guess. But today we're unboxing this makeup subscription box. This is a $30 a month subscription service with at least 5 full-size products in here, and they also include a lot of indie brands in this box, which is something a lot of other boxes don't do. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and so is everything I've gotten in this box before. I've never gotten anything that's not cruelty-free so far, so that's good. Let's go ahead and get started. I did receive this box from them. They gave me a code for you guys. It's porcelain if you want to save money on it. It's not an affiliate code. I don't make any money off of it. I just thought I'd mention if you're like buying a one-time box, you can buy these like one box instead of doing the subscription option. You can use my code. So yay. This is, I remember like last time we got this box, it's kind of cutesy. It looks like it's like hand put together. So here is the inside of the box. And here we have a card that tells you the prices of everything. I'll also leave the retail prices of everything in this box on the screen for you so you know what they cost normal price. So in here, again, we have candies. These are my two favorite flavors. Watermelon and the mystery one. I know the mystery one changes all the time, but mystery is like a good combination, and the watermelon's my favorite one. I asked you guys last time what's your favorite Airhead, and a lot of you said blue raspberry, and I knew you're gonna be those people. And the people who said cherry is your favorite Airhead are crazy. It tastes like medicine. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see what's in here. So, ooh, this is from Melt's. This is from Melt Cosmetics. I think it's a stick lipstick. So this is the Melt. I think it's a stick lipstick. Okay, I'm actually really surprised to see Melt in a box. Like any subscription box, because Melt, some of you guys are going to get it and some of you guys are not. And Melt is like a cool kid brand. I feel like that's how I'm going to describe Melt. I feel like Melt is a cool kid brand. Like, some of their stuff is really hard to get a hold of. They have like really like different stuff and like different color schemes. So I feel like Melt is a cool kid brand, and I didn't expect to see a description box. So this is the Melt packaging. It's really clean, like a little bullet kind of lipstick tube. What kind of color do we get? Oh, we got like a burnt. This packaging, actually, this part, this feels very nice. This feels kind of like, this is a very cheap unit it's made out of, but this is how much product, how much lipstick you get in a Melt stick lipstick. And it's kind of a cool color. I personally don't wear stick lipsticks, but I am really excited to get something from Melt. This is really cool, and the color is actually very wearable. I think a lot of people get a lot of use out of this lipstick. This is in the shade Mum. The Melt Cosmetics lipstick retails for $18, which is pretty average for about a stick lipstick price. Now, let's move on to the next. Is this? Ooh. This is from Glam. You know the brand that always puts out the food stuff? This is from Glam. It's pizza lips. It better be a red. It better be a red. So this retails for $14. I think the packaging is cute because you have a pizza collection and everything. Ooh, this packaging is unique. I've seen these. I've never actually held this. I've seen them on the internet. So this is the Glam Light liquid lipstick. I hope it's a matte liquid lipstick. I'm going to swatch it and find out. And there's like a mirror. Can you see yourself? Yay! There's a mirror so you can like apply it. That's pretty cool. This packaging is very fat. It's a very fat liquid lipstick. But like this is a super cool box. Oh, okay. I know what was inside. I'm going to swatch this one out because I'm actually going to keep this for myself. We're going to swatch it on my hand. Ooh, it's a pinky kind of red. So it's a blue base red with a little bit of pink to it. And I'm going to leave this on my hand so we can see if it dries down matte or not. Cool. I like this. So far we got like a cool kid Melt lipstick and a Glam Light pizza lipstick, which is, that's pretty cool. I'm kind of excited about it. First two things, off to a good start. Next up in here is brushes. Oh, these are cute too. These are all indie brands so far. So these are the OMFG Cosmetics sprinkle brushes. I saw these on Trend Mood's page one day, I think, or it was Indie Mood or something, like, you know, like the indie brand follow pages. These are so cute. These are so cute. I want to die. They're so cute. They're so cute. Sorry, I gotta get about the sleeves. Okay, so here they are. They have little sprinkles. I don't think these are actually edible sprinkles on the inside. There's no way for me to know. The hairs in here are a little bit out of shape, but it's not like a big deal. Here are the brushes up close. And here are the handles. These are so cute. I don't think I'd like them as much if they had like dark bristles on the top, but these are so cute. They feel pretty good too. They feel like normal synthetic brushes. They don't feel like super soft. They don't feel super scratchy. They feel kind of average. They're so cute though. These are so cute. I'm totally keeping these. I don't know what that noise was. Did you hear that noise? I don't know. This is just so cute. I am very excited. So we have, it's a 5 brush set from OMFG Cosmetics. They retail for $24. So cute. They need to go in this little, I put cute brushes in here, so it's going there. It's so cute. Okay, yay. That's the next thing in here. Everything so far, really liking it. It's really nice. And I don't know, maybe there's like one more thing in here. I gotta take some of this paper out. I'll dump that over there. Oh, is this a palette? What is this? It says A Blissful Treat, Yummy Cosmetics. I don't know what this is. I don't think I've ever heard of Yummy Cosmetics. Let me open it up. Oh! I'm not breaking stuff, you're breaking stuff. Alright, let's find out what is in here, because it doesn't tell you. Is this a palette? So this is what this looks like. It looks like cotton candy. It's an eyeshadow palette! It's an eyeshadow palette! Look how cute this is. There is a yellow in here called Banana. Yes. I kind of wish there was a mirror. Oh, wait, let's take the sleeve off. I kind of wish there was a mirror right here. It feels like a lot. It does fold backwards though. How cute! This is so cute! There's 4 pressed glitters. It looks like 3 shimmers and 5 mattes, which is a really good mix in my opinion, because you always want more mattes than anything else. This is really freaking cute. This is so cute. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'll end up using this that much, because I do have so many other rainbow palettes. But like, holy crap. The green and the yellow in here are like speaking to me. Like this one and this one. So cute. I don't know why this is called mint though. It's clearly a lime. But I've never heard of Yummy Cosmetics. This retails for $16. Super, super cute. So I guess that's everything that's in the box. No, there's something else in here. This is from Medusa's Makeup, which we just did their box in the triple box unboxing I just did. This is an eye dust in Bronze Age. So we have a loose eyeshadow pigment in here from Medusa's Makeup, which is this bronzy kind of gold shade. And these retail for $8 each. Now there's nothing else in the box. Now there's nothing else in here. So I am really freaking impressed right now. Like, really impressed. So let's go over everything that we got in this box. So we got the brushes, the super freaking cute 5-piece brush set from OMFG Cosmetics, which retails for $24. We got a Melt Cosmetics stick lipstick, which retails for $18. And Melt's like a cool kid brand. I'm going to keep saying it because I feel like it's the best way to describe them. We got an eyeshadow palette from Yummy Cosmetics, which I've never heard of Yummy Cosmetics, so I'm sure it's an indie brand, and it retails for $16. We have a Glam Light Pizza Lipstick, liquid lipstick, which did dry down matte. It did dry down matte. It's like a pinky base red. This retails for $14, which is like, it's a really pretty, like I love the packaging and everything. And we got a loose eyeshadow from Medusa's Makeup for $8. So overall, like, let me grab one of these. We got this stuff in here and candy, so I'm like really excited. This month's box, I feel like this is one of the best boxes I've gotten like out of any boxes, because I love indie brands. These are all cruelty-free things, and like I feel like this is stuff that I'd actually get a lot of use out of. It's not things that I feel like when you get a box that has a ton of serums or something in it, or a bunch of mascaras, you're not going to get a lot of use out of. I feel like all of these things I'm relatively really excited about. Of course, like I would prefer a liquid lipstick over a stick lipstick, but from Melt Cosmetics, that's the brand I want to try. Like I've never tried something from them before. This is like really, really good, and I'm very impressed with this box. And I'm not just saying that. The retail value of this box is $72 to $81, because there is different variations of this box. You can get different options in here. This is one of those boxes where not everyone gets the exact exact same thing, so you have options. I am like really impressed. I'm very excited to try out a bunch of these things. These brushes are super cute, and I cannot wait to see what the next box is from this brand. I mean, is anyone else just really, like, I'm thoroughly impressed with this one. I don't know what to say about it. Like, this is pretty cool. It's a really good combination of things, and it's all very fun. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've tried this box, let me know if you got something else, like, different than what I did. And yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day. I don't know what else to say. Like, this is really good. I'll see you guys later. Bye.